Hello, everyone. So, today we are going to learn the third unit for Kids English Guide. So, today we will learn the use of can and cannot, or sometimes we can also use can. Can, cannot, or can is okay. But first, let's review our sentences yesterday. And since we already know this, let's just read these sentences twice. So please repeat after me. I am tired. I am tired. I am not tired. I am not tired. I am ready. I am ready. I am not ready. I am not ready. Okay. You are smart. You are smart. You are not smart. You are not smart. Okay, this is rude. Don't say that, okay? Next, let's do you are funny. You are funny. Very good. You are not funny. You are not funny. Okay, let's do go to the next. He is tall. He is tall. He is not tall. He is not tall. Okay, next. He is young. He is young. He is not young. You can also say he isn't young, like this. Isn't. So please say with me, he isn't young. Okay. She is busy. She is busy. She is not busy. She isn't busy. Okay. She is shy. She is shy. She is not shy. She isn't shy. Okay. And another one, you can also say aren't. Okay. Aren't. You aren't. You aren't funny. You aren't smart. Okay. Now, since we already understand this, let's go to first exercise. And here, let me help you with number one first. Remember, we are going to use modal verb can. So probably we will just use can or cannot. Okay? Now, let's do number one. Repeat after me, please. I can read books. I can read books. Okay, number two, this is she blank run fast. Should be she can run fast. She can run fast. Okay. Number three, they blank play outside. They can play outside. Okay, they can play outside. Number four, dogs blank bark. Dogs can bark. Okay, so by the way, these are the translations that you might need. And next, let's do number five. This is incorrect because this should be can. Should be can. The translation says can. So let's change this. So number five should be repeat after me. Annie can't help you. One more. Annie can't help you. Okay, now let's do number six until eight, and let's do it. He cannot draw a cat. Okay, he cannot draw a cat. Number seven, they cannot ride bikes. So they cannot ride bikes. And number 8, there is already an answer. So yeah, I cannot eat spicy food. Repeat after me. I cannot eat spicy food. Okay. Now, let's go to exercise 2. And in here, it's the basic learning method and teaching method. Now, we will learn these sentences 3 times. So first, please repeat after me. I can sing well. One more. I can sing well. I can sing well. Okay, this is the Khmer translation. You already understand. So let's go to the opposite. You cannot sing well. You cannot sing well. You can't sing well. Okay, next. I can play video games. I can play video games. I can play video games. You cannot play video games. You can't play video games. You can't play video games. She can catch a ball. She can catch a ball. She can catch a ball. He cannot catch a ball. He can't catch a ball. He can't catch a ball. We cannot clean the house. We cannot clean the house. We cannot clean the house. Okay, now opposite of we may be they. So let's do they can clean the house. One more. They can clean the house. They can clean the house. Okay, number 5, let's do she can't climb the tree. She can't climb the tree. She cannot climb the tree. Okay. He can climb the tree. He can climb the tree. He can climb the tree. He cannot drive a car. He cannot drive a car. He can't drive a car. She can drive a car. She can drive a car. She can drive a car. Okay, now that we have finished this, please find a pair of you and please do the thing like this. So student 1 and student 2, student 1 will probably say in English and then student 2 will translate in Khmer and then do it alternately. Good luck. Now, let's go to exercise 3 where we will have a talk practice. First, I will read everything and then later we will have a talk practice already. So let's begin. What do you do in your free time? Please repeat. I can paint. What about you? I can play soccer. Can you play soccer too? Yes, I can play soccer. Can you ride a bike? Yes, I can ride a bike. Can you sing? No, I can't sing well. Can you draw animals? Yes, I can draw animals. Okay, very good. Now, I will be Tan. You are Sreime. So, let's begin. What do you do in your free time? I I can play soccer. Can you play soccer too? Yes. Yes, I can ride a bike. Can you sing? I can. Yes, I can draw animals. Very good. Now, please find a pair again, and your friend will play as Tan, or and you will play Sreme, and then you can change roles. So finish that activity so you can master the use of can. Good luck. And after that, let's now go to exercise 4. I don't have the translation. Now, in that translation, I will let you hear first the Khmer language and let us translate together. Let's start with number 1.
ខ្ញុំអាចហែលទឹកបានលឿន
English, that is, I can swim fast. Okay, one more.
ខ្ញុំអាចហែលទឹកបានលឿន
Swim fast.
ខ្ញុំអាចហែលទឹកបានលឿន
I can swim fast. Okay, very good. Number 2.
ខ្ញុំមិនអាចហែលទឹកបានលឿនទេ
I cannot swim fast.
ខ្ញុំមិនអាចហែលទឹកបានលឿនទេ
I cannot swim fast.
ខ្ញុំមិនអាចហែលទឹកបានលឿនទេ
I cannot swim fast. Okay, very good. Next, let's do number 3.
នាងអាចលេងបាល់ទះ
He can play volleyball. And more.
នាងអាចលេងបាល់ទះ
He can play volleyball. Very good. One more.
នាងអាចលេងបាល់ទះ
She can play volleyball. Okay. Next, number 4.
នាងមិនអាចលេងបាល់ទះបានទេ
She cannot play volleyball. Okay. More.
នាងមិនអាចលេងបាល់ទះបានទេ
She cannot play volleyball.
នាងមិនអាចលេងបាល់ទះបានទេ
She cannot play volleyball. Okay. Next, let's do this.
ខ្ញុំអាចមើលឃើញព្រះច័ន្ទ
I can see the moon.
ខ្ញុំអាចមើលឃើញព្រះច័ន្ទ
I can see the moon.
ខ្ញុំអាចមើលឃើញព្រះច័ន្ទ
I can see the moon. Okay. Next,
ខ្ញុំមិនអាចមើលឃើញព្រះច័ន្ទទេ
I cannot see the moon.
ខ្ញុំមិនអាចមើលឃើញព្រះច័ន្ទទេ
I cannot see the moon. Last,
ខ្ញុំមិនអាចមើលឃើញព្រះច័ន្ទទេ
I cannot see the moon. Okay. Next,
ខ្ញុំអាចផឹកកាហ្វេបាន
I can drink coffee.
ខ្ញុំអាចផឹកកាហ្វេបាន
I can drink coffee. Last,
ខ្ញុំអាចផឹកកាហ្វេបាន
I can drink coffee. Okay.
ខ្ញុំមិនអាចផឹកកាហ្វេបានទេ
I cannot drink coffee.
ខ្ញុំមិនអាចផឹកកាហ្វេបានទេ
I can't drink coffee. Last,
ខ្ញុំមិនអាចផឹកកាហ្វេបានទេ
I can't drink coffee. Okay. Next, let's do this.
អ្នកអាចនិយាយពីរភាសា
You can speak two languages. One more.
អ្នកអាចនិយាយពីរភាសា
You can speak two languages. Last,
អ្នកអាចនិយាយពីរភាសា
you can speak two languages. Okay, very good. We're down to the last one.
អ្នកមិនអាចនិយាយពីរភាសាបានទេ
It is you cannot speak two Languages, yes.
អ្នកមិនអាចនិយាយពីរភាសាបានទេ
You cannot speak two languages.
អ្នកមិនអាចនិយាយពីរភាសាបានទេ
You cannot speak two languages. Okay, so we are done with our practice. Now it's your turn to find your pair again and translate the sentences. One will say in Khmer, one will say in English, just like what we did in the exercise 2. Okay. I hope you will use this to handle kids when learning English. And for example, you can try this method. Student 1 and student 2 will try to challenge these exercise. So you can see student 1 will say in Khmer, and then student 2 will translate. And then student 2 will also say in Khmer, and then student 1 will translate again. So do this 3 times so that you can master the word can and the usage in the sentence. And yeah, good luck. So you can see this figure. This is what you will do. Student 1 will say the sentences in Khmer. And then student 2 will say in English. Now you will do this 3 times. After 3 times, student 2 will say in Khmer. And then student 1 will say the sentence in English. So remember the favorite number, always number 3. So repeat everything 3 times. Okay, if you're done with that, we can go to exercise 5. And in here, we have jumbled words. So first, you try everything with me. I'm your instructor. And then second time, you try to challenge with your present teacher. So first, number 1, let's read together. Play, can, he, guitar, the. So what could this be? It could be he. Yes, he can play the guitar. Okay. Repeat after me. He can play the guitar. Perfect. Next, read with me. Cannot, slip, I. Okay, this is wrong. Shouldn't be two. Okay, cannot, sleep, I. I cannot sleep. Okay, I cannot sleep. Next, we read can English. Should be subject first. We can, and then verb. We can read English. Okay, repeat after me. We can read English. Very good. Next, can they sports play? Okay, subject first. They can, and then the verb, main verb, they can play sports. They can play sports. Play sports. Okay, number 5, read with me. She build can towers. Subject first, she can, and then verb build towers. She can build towers. Okay. Cannot bike Nina ride. Okay. Subject first, Nina cannot ride. Okay, let's add a. Cannot ride a bike. Okay. Cannot ride a bike. Next, repeat after me. Nina cannot ride a bike. Right. Bye. Okay. Number 7. Drink can alcohol he. Our subject is he. He can. Then main verb. Drink alcohol. Repeat after me, please. He can drink alcohol. He can drink alcohol. Okay. Number 8. You go can my house too. So our subject is you. You can go to my house. Repeat after me, please. You can go to my house. House. Okay. Number 9. Can dance we well very. Should be subject first. We can dance very well. Repeat after me. We can dance very well. Okay, last. Cook can I. Subject is I can and your verb. I can cook. Repeat after me. I can cook. Okay, so that is the end of this exercise 5. Now it's your turn to try and practice with your teacher. Remember that the sentence structure of can is like this. So remember that the sentence of can is always like this. When you have a sentence that end with period, it's always subject, subject. After subject, you have can or cannot, and then object, subject. I mean verb, and then object. So always like this. I, can't, and then verb, and then object or complement. Complement. So always like this. So please repeat after me. I can dance. I can dance. I can sing. I can sing. I can write. I can write. I can speak in English. I can speak in English. You cannot read. You cannot read. You cannot eat. You cannot eat. You cannot play sports. You cannot play sports. You cannot play the piano. You cannot play the piano. Now, in the last column, we have question sentences. We already discussed the structure for simple sentence. So that's the subject, can or cannot, and then your verb, and then subject complement. But when it comes to questions, you do it like this. Can always comes first. Can, and then your subject, they will change. Subject, and then your verb, and then object or complement. Object, and let's just say O or C. Oops, sorry. O or C. Look at the difference. Here, subject comes first. Sorry. Here, subject is first, and then can. But in here, it's opposite. It becomes can is number one, subject is number two, and then three, four. But here, the subject is number one, number two, three, four. In question sentence, we always put can first. So let's try reading. Oops, okay. So it's clear. Repeat after me. Can she start now? One more. Can she start now? Can he ride a bike? Can he ride a bike? Can they make music? Can they make music? Can we go outside? Can we go outside? Okay, very good. I hope you understand this sentence structure because this is very important and you can always use can when you are talking about the things that you are able to do. So now, let's have exercise 7. These are just for your short presentation. Always remember to record yourself and then upload the MP3 file. Okay, let's try to move this. So, okay, I'm gonna zoom in so you'll see better. So first, read, I don't know, try to listen to me as I read in slash reading. Let's begin. Hello, my name is Ray. Nice to meet you. I like to do many things at school. I can read books and write stories. My school has a big playground where I can play soccer with my friends. I can also paint pictures in art class. Our teachers are very helpful. They can teach us many new things every day. I can ask them questions if I don't understand something. I can learn a lot at my school. I am happy with my classmates and friends. We can do many fun activities together. The end. So, as you can see, these sentences are very basic and can be used to try and practice with kids. So, I hope you can challenge this exercise by yourself by using slash reading and upload your MP3 file. Good luck. And that is the end of this lesson. I hope you learned something with can and cannot, and see you on Unit 4. Bye.